In this episode of CobbTV, we are breaking down the drum beat in Trucker's Atlas by Modest Mouse. Now, the drum beat that kicks off the song Trucker's Atlas is pretty much unanimously every Modest Mouse fan's favorite Jeremiah Green drum beat. We are going to build this groove one element at a time. First, we're going to start with the bell. The bell should be played on the first beat of every measure. Next, we're going to add the kick drum. The snare is going to be standard backbeat on 2 and 4, but we're going to play a flam there. What we're going to do next is we're going to add a flam tap. So the flam tap is perhaps the most crucial thing about this pattern as far as getting our arms in the right place. But first we're going to add the sticking right after the first flam tap. It's going to be flam tap, and it's going to be a left flam tap going into right, left, right, left. Next, we're going to add the rolling toms right after that first bell hit, and it's just going to be right and then left on the rack tom, right on the floor tom. Next, we're going to add the 16th note tom pattern right after the beat 4 flam tap. And for our final ingredient, the last thing we need to add are 8th notes on the hi-hat played with our left foot, which aids in that hi-hat psh, psh sound that's in the groove. Here it is slower, just in case you need a little bit more time to dissect everything that's going on. And there you have it, a drumming tutorial on how to play the beat that kicks off the song Trucker's Atlas by Modest Mouse. The drummer on that track, Jeremiah Green, just kills it all over that whole album, as well as all the Modest Mouse songs that he plays on. Would love to hear what your favorite Jeremiah Green or Modest Mouse songs are in the comments. If you haven't checked out the Dramamine video that I did, please go check that out. That's another great Modest Mouse tune that has some awesome drumming by Jeremiah Green on it. But in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.